students, so here we are with the question 4th of the exercise 2.3 of the chapter polynomial. So the question 4th is on dividing the polynomial x raised by 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by the polynomial gx. The quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2 plus x respectively. Find gx. Now, if we visualize this quotient according to the data been provided in this quotient, the dividend is x raised by 3 minus 3x squared plus x plus 2, and the divisor is gx. The quotient is x minus 2 and the remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So this is the situation being provided in this question. Now let us take an example that divides the number 8 by the number 5. So on dividing the number 8 by the number 5, as we know that 1 is being obtained as a quotient, as 5 into 1 is equals to 5, and 3 is being obtained as a remainder. We can write 8 is equals to 5 into 1 plus 3. Which means that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, from here we know dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us keep this in a block. So, now putting the data being provided in this quotient, the dividend is the polynomial x raised by 3 minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 is equals to divisor. Here the divisor is the polynomial gx into the quotient, and the quotient is x minus 2 plus remainder, which is minus 2x plus 4. Now taking the remainder from right hand side to the left hand side, we will see that the left hand side will be equal to x raised by 3 minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. And here, as we know, when the term is being taken from right hand side to the left hand side, its sign changes. So, minus 2x will be now plus 2x and plus 4 will be minus 4, which will be equal to gx into x minus 2. Or we can write x raised by 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equals to gx into x minus 2. Now, in order to obtain the polynomial gx, transpose the term x minus 2 to the left hand side. So, x raised by 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 will be equal to the polynomial gx. Which means that the polynomial gx can be obtained by dividing the polynomial x raised by 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 by the polynomial x minus 2. The division can be obtained by using long division technique. So, now we will be performing the long division method. So, now x minus 2 and the dividend is x raised by 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now, if we divide the first term of the polynomial dividend with the first term of the divisor, the term which we will obtain is x raised to power 2. So multiplying x raised to power 2 with the divisor, we will obtain x raised to power 3 minus 2x square. And now subtracting the second polynomial from the first polynomial, we will obtain minus 3x square plus 2x square comes out to be minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Now again dividing the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, that is minus x square by x, the term which we will obtain is minus x. So now multiplying minus x with x minus 2, the polynomial which we will obtain is minus x square plus 2x. Now again changing the sign, that is here it will be plus and then minus, and subtracting the second from the first polynomial, that is this polynomial, from this polynomial we will obtain x minus 2. And now if we divide x minus 2 by the divisor x minus 2, we will obtain the term plus 1. So we will write plus 1 in the quotient. So here it will be x minus 2. Again changing the sign, that is minus and here plus. These two terms will cancel out each other. So the remainder obtained will be equal to 0. And as we know, the gx was equal to the dividend, which is equal to this polynomial, divided by the divisor, which is x minus 2. So here we can write gx will be equal to x square minus x plus 1. So this was all about the question 4th of the exercise 2.3. I hope this question is clear to all of you.